in the figure RT is equal to TU, what is the value of X? So in this figure below, RT and TU are sides of a triangle like RT and U. So let us draw this triangle separately to understand. RTU is this triangle where this is this vertex T, U and R. We know that it's 114 is the angle for T, and since RT and TU are equal, which means this is an isosceles triangle and the corresponding angles R and U will be equal, because in an isosceles the corresponding angles for the equal sides will be equal. So using the property that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180, we get 180 minus 114 is 66. Therefore R and U are equal, therefore this will be equal to 33. So we can say that in this small triangle RV, and let us label this as O. Let us again draw this triangle separately, the small one that we are interested in, because one of the sides is X that we need to find. We labeled this vertex as O and this is R. Let us write this R as 33. So we know angle R, we just need to know angle O. So in order to find angle O, we see that this is vertically opposite to this particular triangle, the STO. So let us try to find out how much is angle O. To find that, we realize that we need to first get this angle, which is 180 minus 114, because the SU is a straight line and these two angles become supplementary angles. That means this angle will be 180 minus 114, which is 66. So if one angle is 66 and the other one is 31, which means this will be equal to, let us try to make some space here. So we can say this angle will be equal to 180 minus 114, sorry, 66 plus 33, because the angle within the STO is 66 plus 31. So this is 180 minus 97, which is equal to 83. So this angle is 83, which means vertically opposite angles will be equal. Therefore, this will be 83 also. Now that we know two angles, angle X will simply be 180 minus the sum of 83 and 33. So this becomes 6 and 116. So we are getting 180 minus 116 as 464. So 64 is the angle X. So let us write this like this. And when we check the options here, we see option C matches the answer that we got. So to recap, what we have done here is we basically used the properties like the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. And then we used the property that in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. And then we try to find out the remaining angles required. So one of the things to do this kind of problems is that you first need to find out the piece of the triangle that you need to use, because if this is angle X, one should think about trying to find out the other two angles, because they all form a triangle, and then you go about thinking how you would find out the remaining two angles. So we first established or got angle R, and then we try to find out angle O.